The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Division of Emergency Management. The Little Elm Police Department is searching for Tyler Montrell NEAL. Tyler is a black male, age 5, with a date of birth of 12/09/2005. Tyler is 47 inches tall and 59 lbs, with black hair and brown eyes. Tyler was last seen wearing blue jeans, along with a green and blue button-down plaid shirt. Also, Tyler was wearing black and white Nike shoes, a blue and gray Nike windbreaker, and a SpongeBob backpack. Police are looking for Cynthia NEAL in his abduction. She is a black, 31-year-old female. Her date of birth is 11/31/1980. Cynthia is 5 feet, 4 inches tall, and 180 lbs. She has black hair and brown eyes. Cynthia is known to wear wigs. The suspect is driving a yellow 2006 Chrysler PT Cruiser with Texas license plate number CC5K500. The suspect was last heard from in Little Elm, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Little Elm Police Department at 469-853-4357. Again, the Elm Police number is 469-853-4357.